2025 Arch Motorcycle KRGT-1, the pinnacle of American luxury motorcycling. Arch Motorcycle, co-founded by Hollywood actor Keanu Reeves and custom bike designer Gard Hollinger, has redefined the world of high-end motorcycles with its signature model, the KRGT-1. In 2025, the Arch KRGT-1 continues to evolve, offering a perfect blend of cutting-edge performance, bespoke craftsmanship, and timeless cruiser aesthetics. Let's dive into what makes this bike a true masterpiece on two wheels. A handcrafted masterpiece. Every 2025 Arch KRGT-1 is a hand-built machine, meticulously crafted to meet the highest standards of luxury and performance. Each bike is customized to its owner's specifications, ensuring a one-of-a-kind riding experience. The use of high-quality materials, including CNC-machined aluminum, carbon fiber, and premium leather, elevates its exclusivity. Design and aesthetics. The KRGT-1 boasts a neo-retro cruiser design, blending aggressive muscle with smooth lines. The 2025 model features updated aerodynamics, refined ergonomics, and a sleeker fuel tank design for better weight distribution. Customization remains at the heart of Arch's philosophy, allowing owners to choose from a variety of finishes, colors, and materials to make their KRGT-1 truly unique. Power and performance. At the heart of the 2025 KRGT-1 lies a 124-seat 2032cc S&S V-Twin Engine, delivering an estimated 122 horsepower and 120 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse offers a raw yet refined riding experience, with a deep, throaty exhaust note that commands attention. The updated 6-speed transmission ensures smoother gear shifts, while an advanced ride-by-wire throttle system enhances throttle response. The carbon fiber wheels reduce unsprung weight, improving agility and overall handling, making it one of the most well-balanced cruisers on the market. Advanced technology and features. While maintaining its handcrafted essence, the 2025 Arch KRGT-1 incorporates modern technology to enhance the riding experience. Fully adjustable Ohlins suspension offers superior ride quality and handling, customizable for different riding styles. Brembo braking system, high-performance braking power for safety and control. Digital instrument cluster, a high-resolution TFT display provides real-time data, navigation, and ride analytics. Ride modes and traction control, customizable settings allow riders to adapt to different road conditions. Smart connectivity, Bluetooth-enabled integration with smartphones for music, calls, and GPS navigation.